Imagine having a smart assistant ready to help you tackle any school assignment, anytime you need it. That's the power of AI tools, and writing great AI prompts is the key that unlocks it. So, what exactly is an AI prompt? Think of it as a clear question or instruction that you give to an AI so it knows exactly how to help you. Just like asking a friend for homework help, but even more precise. The better your prompt, the better the AI's guidance will be. Let's break it down. Start with the basics. Decide what you need help with. Are you solving a math problem, writing an essay, or understanding a science topic? Be specific. Vague questions lead to vague answers. For example, instead of saying, "Help me with history," you could ask, "Can you summarize the causes of World War II for my homework?" Use friendly language, and don't be afraid to explain your task. The more details you share, the more helpful the AI can be. Try including your grade level or the subject, like, "I'm in 8th grade and need a short science report on volcanoes." This helps the AI match its response to your needs. Practice makes progress. Experiment with different prompts. See how changing your words changes the answers. If the response isn't what you wanted, try adding more details or asking a follow-up question. Every time you refine your prompt, you get better. And so does your homework. The first step can seem tricky, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. Be curious, have fun, and don't worry about making mistakes. You're building skills that will help you not just in school, but everywhere AI is used. Start with one small prompt today. Your confidence will grow, one question at a time.